This is WIKISPEED stand-up, Sunday, March 27, 2022, and for the stand-up, take it away, Mike.
It's Michael Wolchuk, Saskatoon, Canada, presently from my truck because I'm waiting outside a grocery store. Not much to show for this week. I expected it to be busy. It was busier than I thought. I tried getting the Google Docs to read the book to me, and it only does it until the computer goes to sleep. So if I'm not standing there or sitting in front of it and touching the mouse, sometimes it didn't work very well. That's about all I got done for the week. Next week, I'm hoping to get back into the robot operating system and trying to figure out what I messed up with the install, and I guess maybe do a little bit more with Lauren on getting his system running for the tank level. And it would be nice if I could figured out how to stop my computer from going to sleep so it would read me the Joe's book. No blocks, and I guess that's about it for me.
Okay, this is Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. And past week, I consulted with Mike about, and I successfully downloaded the LiDAR version of the tank level program, and verified that the Bluetooth is sending messages to my phone. I have not got the actual LiDAR working, but I'm confident that I can troubleshoot that. Worst case, buy another LiDAR and see if that's just bad. But I suspect I'll get it working. And so the coming week is to get the LiDAR working and start getting the fittings. And I actually I'll have one question for Crosstalk to do with that. And blocks, tax time's coming up, and I want to catch my accountant before she gets overloaded with other people's taxes. I've been to Vancouver recently, doing various things there, and I'm actually kind of starting to organize my place and kind of waking up out of all the COVID stuff and everything else. So those are somewhat blocks, but actually making pretty good progress. So back to you for the retro and process improvement.
Okay, retro for me, made it to stand up. I tried this. Let's go with 2 out of 10. For the team, I guess I'm going to drop it to 7 because we're back to 2 of us. And no process of improvement. But I do have a comment on taxes. I'm actually going to be going to an accountant, first time in many years that I'm not doing my own taxes. And he seems to think he's going to get it done in the hour that we have booked. So I'm quite interested to watch this process because he's obviously way better than I am.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to up your thing to 5 or 7 because you helped me a whole lot. And so myself, I'm going to give I got to things, so I'm going to give myself a 6, and I'll give the team an 8 again because we consulted. We were on Discord doing stuff, and process improvement is get more people on the meeting, but it's not a process improvement. So no process improvement. And that's it for that. And I think I'm going to stop recording